Be right back. Just got a short segment to do here with Brandon. We're going to finish this whole thing off. Well, welcome to the Irish Roots Cafe. I'm sure glad you made it by today, and I'm really appreciative that I've had 30 years to work with everybody here. And of course, the cafe's fun, and we all have fun with the food and meals there, American and Irish mixture, sort of. But I'm here today to talk about the Irish Roots Cafe that helps us learn about our heritage and culture. I've had a lot of fun, like I said, over those last 30 years with the new books that I've written, the old rare books that I've republished from Ireland, and the podcast and the blogs, and now the videos. I hope that's going to lead into a video university type of thing. And the reason I've done it is really to honor our ancestors in the past and to learn from that and to help a new generation move into the future, perhaps with a few tips that learning from the past and the history. And I hope it's been fun, and we've even been moving into music lately, so that's been a lot of fun in themselves too. We've done some things that I think are really important. We've come out with the only reprinting since the mid-1800s of the Annals of Ireland, Connellan translation, and Keating's History of Ireland. The very first Irish Families broadcast, weekly broadcast on the web. Really, it's things that you're not going to find anywhere else, so I sure appreciate you coming in and listening to all this, and every once in a while, every time you come in and get a book, every time that you renew your membership, it helps keep things moving down the right road, and you're the only support I've got. So I just wanted to say thank you so much, and we're going to try to keep putting as much as we can on that web page for free, and we'll remember we still need you as a member whenever we can get you. So I just like to say thank you very much, and I hope we see each other again.
Hello, my name is Brandon Seavey. I have been behind the camera most of the time for these segments, helping out Mike with these videos. I just want to say thank you for watching, and take a look at these outtakes that they don't know that I've filmed.
I'm sorry, I know, of course, that's the way it works.
Oh yeah, what are you looking for? You doing banking work? Yes, are you planning to go to Ireland soon? So is this your the favorite food you said you come to the Irish Roots Cafe for?
Yeah, this is my favorite wrap. It's got smoked bacon, romaine lettuce, chicken, diced eggs, tomatoes, avocados, and a spinach wrap. It's great.
Boy, I think Ginger Sue is the one that puts that together. I'll have to tell her. She'll be really glad to hear that.
Yeah, it's the best thing you have here.
Oh, Roshadava Hawalia. Oh, Roshadava Hawalia. Shani Sharhaktin Tori.
Oh, Mike.
Shadava Havan Balanvar. Myra Tuvari even. Dugu Avrai Sheliv Marla.